jumps, each of we write this like steps. Yeah, three. Yeah, here it is the 2 steps only. Here it is the 2 steps from 0. Yeah, towards 0 towards right on the number line. Right on the number line. Okay, Gagan, neatly are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, next here it is the 4 jumps. Each of -2 steps from 0 towards the left on the number line. Why? Because here is the negative only. Are you understood, Gagan? Yeah, similarly you can write it this like only. Similarly you can write it the 2 cross -6 equal to -12 and 5 cross -4 equal to 5 4 ja 20. So that's why you can is the plus into minus is the minus only. Are you okay, Gagan? Next is the third one is the 9 cross -4 only. So that's why is the this product 9 cross 9 4 ja 36 only. Plus into minus is the minus. Are you okay, Gagan? Neatly. Similarly these are this one only. Are you understood? Yeah, next one is the now let us multiply by this like only this product. What one is the -4 cross 3 only. Yeah, observe the following pattern. Are you okay? This like are you understood, Gagan? Neatly. Are you understood? Yeah, observe the following pattern. Yeah, first 4 cross 3. 4 cross 3 equal to 12. And 3 3 ja 9. 2 3 ja 6. 1 3 ja 3. And 0 cross 3 equal to 0. 0 product multiply by anything equal to 0 only. So -1 cross 3. -1 cross 3 means is the -3 only. -2 cross 3 is the -6 only. -3 3 ja -9. -4 cross 3 is the -12 only. Are you okay, Gagan? Neatly. Yeah, this is a pattern. Some alag other you can observing that what's one is that here it is the -3 -4 cross 3 equal to 12 only.
Okay.
Okay, now we know that the what's one is the we know that 4 cross -3 equal to -12 only. Both are the equal. We know that you have 4 cross -3 and -3 into 3 equal to 12 only. So that's why you can therefore -4 cross 3 equal to here it is the 3 cross -4. Both are the -12 only. Okay, Gagan, are you understood?
Understood.
Yeah, you can observing here. You can say that other one only. You can write here it is. Yeah, for examples of 2 cross -5 equal to -10 only. 2 5 ja 2. Okay, now 2 is multiplied by -5. 2 5 ja 10 only. -10 only. Then again is the 3 cross -2 only. 3 2 ja 6. So that's why is the plus into minus is the minus only. Alag only. Similarly, okay, you can write it again. Say 8 cross -4 equal to 8 4 ja 32 -32. Then again is the 6 cross -5 equal to -36. 5 ja 30 only. Okay, now from the all of the above examples, what are you can observe here? It is Gagan say here this pattern. You can observe in this following pattern. Are you understood, Gagan, neatly? And you can observe here the sum here. It is also some examples. The above examples, the product of the positive integers and negative integers. Here it is that all are the both are the product of positive integers. So you get the positive only. You get the positive only. Okay, now if you have positive integers and negative integers, we get the negative integers only. Okay, now positive and positive integers and negative integers, we will get the negative integers only. Positive integers, negative integers, we will get the and the product of positive and negative integers, we will get the negative integers only. Are you understood? Yeah, this is the from the above example. So you can observe here it is the product of the positive integers and negative integers is always negative integers. a negative integers. Are you understood Gagan sai? Okay, now here it is say examples of one positive integers, one negative integer. We got the negative, so one positive and all are equal. Everything is also examples if it's over and this is topic, and next goes to the another topic is the 1.1.3a multiplication of two negative integers only. Two negatives, let us multiply by the -4 and -3 only. Both are the two negative integers. Here it is the -4 is the one negative and -3 is also both are the two negative integers only. Observing the following pattern only. So that's why it's the -4 into here it is that minus. Okay na? You observe in the following pattern is the -4 into 4 only. So that's why it's the -4 into minus into plus. So that's why it's the minus only. So that's why it's the 4 4 ja -16 minus 12 only. 4 3 ja 12. 4 2 ja 8 minus 8. 4 cross 1 is the -4 and -4 cross 2 anything the product is 0 only. 4 cross 0 0 and here minus into minus. So that's why it's plus. It becomes to plus only. So that's why it is the 4 cross 1 is the plus 4. 4 2 ja 8 minus into minus plus. So minus into minus plus it becomes to plus. So that's why the 4 cross 3 is the 12. Are you understood Gagan sai? And we multiply by the -4. We multiply by the -4 by 4 3 2 1 0 -1 -2 -3 only. And the product is also increases by what one is the 4 only. Okay, now are you understood Gagan sai neatly? Yes. Increases by the product is also increases by 4 only. And the differences each time is the 4 only. Are you understood? Okay na? And -4 we multiply by the 4 by 4 3 2 1 0 -1 -2 -3 are then the product is increases by the 4 only. Are you okay? Yeah, next one is the other examples only. What's one is the minus for examples of -3 into -4 equal to minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why 3 4 ja 12. And then again same you know that the same you can write it this like only -3 -4 into -3. Both that is also you can both are the same answer only. We know that these are both are that product is the we will get that the same answer only. Are you understood Gagan sai? Here minus into minus here both are that it's over. And similarly you can write down that another examples also you can write it Gagan sai. Yeah, for examples of 3 -3 into -2. Here it is the minus into minus is the plus. 3 2 ja 6 only. And then again is the other examples also -4 into for examples of -3 only. So that's why the minus into minus is the plus. So that's why the 4 3 ja 12 only. Other examples of for examples of 5 only. -5 into for examples of -3 only. So that's why you can is the minus into minus is the plus. So that's why the 5 3 ja 15 only. Alag examples only. Similarly you can write out the alag examples. Alag product of these are two negative numbers only. Product of the two negative numbers is that you can write it that 2 only. Plus into minus is the plus. We will get the plus and positive. Here thus you can also can here it is what you write it. Thus every time you can observing here it is the Gagan say every time if you multiply two negative integers. Yeah, two negative integers, the product is always, what's the answer? Gagan say what's the answer? You have to say every time it's a product product of two negative integers. What's the multiplication of two negative integers? We will get the product answer is we will get it is always is the positive only. Okay na? See or above all are the examples. So you can observing here it is Gagan say any two minus a negative product negative integers, then the product is always positive. Your those are is the positive. Is it correct Gagan say? Yes. Here it is that all are the kind of positive. Here it is So that's why is the what's the here it is the positive only. Positive integer. And a multiplication of two integers. The product is always negative integers only. Next one is the what's one is the another activity 1 only. Fill the grid multiplying each number. Fill the grid is multiplied by each number in the first column and with the each number in the first row only. This is that column wise and row wise only. Yeah, you can one is the grid form only. You are multiplied by the each number only. Okay na? Yeah, 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 only. And here it is the column wise, row wise this one only, and column wise here it is only 3 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 only. Yeah, first of all solution you can write down this one Gagan say neatly or in our notebook. Today we learn in this one only, this grid. Yeah, you can observe here it is Gagan say neatly. Yeah, first one is the 3 cross and the first column with each number in the first row only. First column with each row. Okay na? First row anamata. This is the first row kada. Each column multiply by both are only. So that's why the 3 cross 3 equal to 9. 3 cross 2 is the 6. 3 cross 1 3. 3 cross 0 0. 3 cross minus 1 is the minus 3. 3 cross minus 2 is the minus 6. 3 cross minus 3 is the minus 9. Are you understood? So already given in the first row is already given. Second row is also some are given only. All the other one is not incomplete only. So that's why you can is finishing this one only. Okay na? First of all finishing this like only. Here first one is the next is the second only. Second number. 2 cross 3 only. 2 cross 3 is the 4. 2 cross 3 is the 6 only. Sorry, 6 only. Okay na? Are you okay? Next is the 2 cross 2 is the 4. Next 2 cross 1 is the 2. 2 cross 1 is the 2. And next 2 cross 0 is the 0. And 2 cross minus 1 is the minus 2. And 2 cross minus 2 is the minus 4. And 2 cross minus 3 is the minus 6 only. Okay? 2 cross minus 3 is the 6 only. Then again is the 1 only. Yeah, 1 is multiplied by 3 is the 3. And here 1 is multiplied by 2 is the 2. 1 is multiplied by 1. See, 1. 1 is multiplied by 0, 0. And 1 is multiplied by minus 1 is the minus 1. 1 is multiplied by minus 2 is the 2, minus 2. And we will get this like only. And 1 is multiplied by minus 3 is the minus 3 only. Next is the 0 is nothing but is all or everything is every product multiplied. 0 is multiplied by anything is a 0 only. So that's why you can directly write it as 0 cross 3. 0 multiplied by 3 is 0 and 2 is 0, 1 is 0 and everything is all are the 0 only. Okay, I can say 0 multiplied by 0 is a 0. 0 is multiplied by minus 1. All or everything is a 0 only. And next one is the minus 1 only. Minus 1 is multiplied by 3 is the minus 3 only. Minus 1 is multiplied by 2 is the minus 2 only. Are you okay? Minus 1 is multiplied by 1 is the minus 1. And the minus into plus is the minus 1. So that's why minus 1 is multiplied by 0 is the 0. And minus 1 is multiplied by minus 1. Minus into minus is the plus. So that's why it's the 1 only. Minus 1 is multiplied by minus 2. Minus into minus is the plus. So that's why the 1 is multiplied by 2 is the 2 only. Minus 1 is multiplied by minus 3. And minus into minus is the plus. So 1 is multiplied by 3 is the 3 only. Are you okay, Gagan sir, neatly? Yeah, next one is the minus 2 only. Minus 2 is multiplied by 3 only. So that's why the minus into plus only. Here it is the. So that's why the minus only. 2 cross 3 is the 6. And minus 2 is multiplied by 2 is the minus 4. And minus 2 is multiplied by the 1 is minus 2. And minus 2 is multiplied by 0 is 0. And minus 2 is multiplied by, here it is the minus terms only. So that's why the minus into minus is the plus only. 2 cross 1 is the 2. 2 to ja 2 cross minus 2 cross multiplied by minus 2 is the 4. Minus 2 is multiplied by minus 3 is the 6 and 3. Then again is the minus 3 only. Minus 3 is multiplied by 3. So that's why is the minus 3. Minus 3 is multiplied by 2. 2 is the minus 6. Minus 3 is multiplied by 1. Minus 3. Minus 3 is multiplied by 0. 0. Minus 3 is multiplied by minus. All are the minus terms here. These are is also minus only. Minus 3 only. This also minus 3. So that's why the minus into minus is the plus only. Minus 3 is multiplied by minus 1. Is that minus into minus 6 becomes to the positive. So that's why the 3 only. Minus 3 is multiplied by minus 2. 6. Minus 3 is multiplied by 3. Minus 3. So that's why the 9 only. Yeah, are you okay, Gagansai? Are you understood? Yeah, you can observing here it is Gagansai neatly. Here it is that 9. Yeah, this box Gagansai, you can observe here it is this box. First box and next one is this like only. You draw this box and then again this box. And then again this one. Yeah, if you so you can observing here it is Gagansai or this or is that some questions is also there in that below the grid only. And what's you can here observing it is all are the product both are that positive ones. Okay na, both product are the positive integers only. We will get the all are the answers is also positive only. Are you okay Gagansai neatly?
Yeah.
Positive is multiplied by positive integer. So that's why we will get that all are the positive only. And here it is that positive integer multiplied by the negative integer. We will get that the all are the negative only. Okay na? Next one is that negative integers is multiplied by the positive integers. We will get that the negative only. Answer is negative. Next, negative integers is multiplied by the negative integers. We will get that the positive only. Are you understood, Gagansai? Positive integers is multiplied by positive. Here we will get this the positive only. Positive integers is multiplied by the negative. You will get that the negative only. Positive negative integers is multiplied by the positive. We will get that the negative. Negative integers is multiplied by the negative. We will get that the positive only. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, this grid are you understood, Gagansai? This grid?
Yes.
Yeah, next one is the below that the 3 questions there, Gagansai neatly. Yeah,
Yes.
first question only. Yeah, first one is the product of 2 positive integers is always positive integers. Is it correct?
Yeah.
2 positive integers. 2 positive integers means is here it is the 3 cross 3. We will get this answer is the S. Answer is the S. And next second one is the product of 2 negative integers is always positive integer. 2 negative integers. For example, so here it is that minus 1 is multiplied by minus 1. 2. Minus 1 is that we will get this the answer is the plus 1 and the positive integers. Is it correct? Yes. Next one is the third one. Is the product of negative and positive integers is always negative integer? The product of negative here for examples of negative integers and positive integers.
No.
We will get the answer is the negative?
Yes.
That is also correct. Is it correct? Here it is also table form is also is it correct answer neatly? But questions you know don't write it. Answer is the only yes only. All are the yes. Okay, Gagansai neatly?
Yes.
అంటే ఇక్కడ all are the questions are you understood? Answers is also
Yes.
understood? Yeah, next one is that other topic is the 1.1.3b multiplication of more than 2 negative integers. Multiplication of more than 2 negative integers. multiplication of two negative integers is over, and more than two negative integers. And in this topic learn it only. First of all, if the product of the two negative integers is always we will get the positive integers. You know that only. Okay, now the product of, for example, of three negative integers, some three negative integers is also there, and product of the four negative integers and five negative integers, the product of six negative integers, what we will get the answer అనేది today we learn it only. First one only. For examples are this gagansa. Let us observe the following examples on multiplication of more than two negative integers. For examples of this one only, minus of product of the two negative integers, we will get the answer is the minus into minus is the plus, and 1 into 2 is the 2 only. Next is the second, 2 multiplied by the three negative integers, and here it is that minus into minus is the plus, it becomes to plus, minus into minus plus only. Plus into minus is the minus, so that's why is that 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 only, and minus 6. Next is the third example. Third example, so you can observe in here it is the multiplied by the 4 times, and even number only. This is the first even number, next odd number, even number, next odd number. Okay na? And multiplied by the 2 means is the 2 integers, negative integers, so that's why is the even number, and multiplied by the 3 negative integers and odd number, and multiplied by the 4 negative integers and even number only, so that's why is the minus into minus is the plus, then again is the minus into minus is the plus, so the plus into plus only, so that's why is the 1 into 2 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 and plus. Okay, the next one is the fourth one. Here it is that 1 2 3 4, then is our 4, and again is the multiplied by the 5 only, odd number, so that's why is the here it is that minus into minus is the plus, and again is the minus into minus is the plus, and minus into minus is the plus, minus into minus is the plus only. Okay na, and here it is the plus, and here it is also plus, again is the minus only, so that's why again is the 1 into 2 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 24 5 ja 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2 is the 125, and minus 125. You can observe the from the above examples, you can observe here it is the product of two negative integers is always the first one is the positive or negative? Number is the positive integer. See better neatly. Listen better neatly. Positive integer. Tell me the answer, Gagansai.
Yes.
The product of three negative integers. The product of three negative integers, we get the negative only. Negative integers. These are negative integers. Okay, now next the product of the four negative integers. See better from the above examples, four negative integers, 1 2 3 4 only. 4 is the even number. What's the answer is the positive or negative? Positive only. And the product of the four negative integers is a positive integers. Next is the fourth one. Product of the 5 only. Product of the 5 only. So that's why you can 5 negative integers. 1 2 3 4 5 only. So that's why the what's answer is the
Negative.
negative, or is it a positive?
Negative.
We will get the answer is the negative only. Negative integers. Okay, now next the product of the 6 negative integers is
Negative.
6 is the even or odd?
Even.
Even. So that's why the answer is the even number. What's the answer? Even number is the this like only. All are the positive only. Even number is the positive. So that's why 6 integer. The product of the 6 negative integer is always positive integer.
Okay.
Not negative integers. Even is the positive integers ante the words you can observe in here it is that we find that if the number of negative integers being multiplied is even, then the product is a even at the both one is the product is a positive or negative?
Negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Positive integer. Even. Okay na? But don't
Yes.
confusing here it is a even. Even means is that this like only 2,
Okay.
4, 3, positive or negative? Answer.
Positive.
Positive. So that's why and if the number of negative integers being multiplied by odd, then the product is
Negative.
negative integer. Negative integer. Are you clear, Gagansa? Are you understood clearly? Yeah, this is that already finishing this topic, Gagansa. Yeah, try this like is also there. Some try this one only. Yeah, this is the two negative integers. So that's why the minus into minus 1 is the plus 1 only. One answer. Okay, now next see beta multiplied by the odd term, odd only. Okay, now multiplied by the negative terms is the odd only. Odd means is the minus 1 only. Next is the third one only. Yeah, multiplied by the 4 negative integers. We will get the plus or positive or negative? Tell me the answer.
Positive.
Even number 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 4 is the even or odd?
Even.
Even is the answer is the even only.
Even.
Next is the product is the negative numbers. 5 is multiplied by the 5 negative numbers. What's the even or odd? 5.
5.
5. Odd. Answer is the
Minus.
minus 1 only.
Yes.
Odd అయితే ఏంటి? What's the answer? Minus 1. Even అయితే
1.
plus 1.
Plus
Positive. Minus 1 product of the odd అయితే ఏంటి? What's the answer? Odd అయితే
Minus 1.
minus 1. Even అయితే
Plus 1.
plus 1. Odd అయితే minus 1. What sir you can observe in if the number of negative integers being multiplied by even, then the product is even and the positive only. Then the product is then the number of the negative integers being multiplied by then the product is negative or positive? Negative only. Odd అయితే. If it's odd అయితే no negative.
Okay.
If it's even అయితే positive only.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, this all is that after our multiplication. It's over. Today our class is so multiplication part is it's over, and next one is the today we will learn the another expert book and part-2 only. Yeah, in our same topic and concept time 4 and page number is the 10 and 11 SB 6 and SB 7. Today we will learn it only. Another this topic same topic today we will learn it only. Yeah, concept time 4, 5 SB 6 SB 7 only. Today we learn multiplication of integers. And Telangana state book same topic is over only. So that's why it's another book is the sign of the product depends on the sign of its factors only. This method is using the flow charts. Today we learn it only. Multiplication of integers. Yeah, do both the integers have the same sign? If it's a same sign, if it's a yes. If it's a different sign, if it's a no. This process first is the same signs only. The product is the positive. The product is the negative only. Examples, so 2 examples here it is 11 cross. Both are the 2 products is positive. We will get the answer is the positive only. And here one is that 2 negative only. We will get the answer is the minus into minus, it becomes to the plus only. So that's why the answer is the positive only. Product is positive. And here it is the negative only. And minus 1. One is the negative and one is the positive. We will get the answer is the negative, and the product is negative, and this all are is also plus into minus is also we will get the answer is the negative only. Are you understood Gagansa neatly? Same signs. Same signs means is the for examples of other examples 6 cross 4. Both are the same signs. This is also plus and this is also plus. So that's why 6 4 ja 24. And next one here it is also another examples of for examples of 6 cross minus 2 only. So that's why the minus both are the same signs only. So
Minus
that's why
2.
the 6 cross 12 is the minus into minus,
Minus 12.
it becomes to plus only. So that's why the 6 cross 12 is the
Plus 12.
plus 12. Okay na? Next is the other example. So another example, so you can hear it as a 7 cross 2 only. And different signs, and one is the negative, one is the positive only. What's the answer? Minus 7 cross 2 only. So that's why the minus into plus. So that's why the
14.
minus only. 14. Minus 14.
Minus 14.
Next is the other examples is that one is the different signs only. So that's why the 7 cross of minus 3 only. So that's why the what's the minus 3 plus into, here it is the nothing but no signs,
Yes.
which is the plus only. So that's why you can is the plus into minus is the minus. So that's why the answer is the minus only. 7 cross 3 is the 21.
Minus 21.
So that's why you can all or everything is the product. The answer is that negative. Different signs, if the product is the, what's the answer is the negative only.
Negative.
If the same sign is the answer is the positive. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah, multiplication of the 3 or more negative integers. What's the 3 or more negative integers? Multiplication of the 3 or more integers. We know that the product of the 2 negative integers is the positive only. What's the 2 negative integers? Here it is the C button. Here you can observe here it is. The examples are 2 negative integers. We will get the answer is a positive. Positive or answer is a
Positive.
positive. Very good. And next one is the but what happens when we multiply by 3 or more negative integers. Some examples today we will learn it only. Examples table form. In a table form today we will learn this one only. Examples and number of negative integers, and is the number of negative integers multiplied by odd or even, and sign of the product only. So that's why examples, here it is that examples, alag examples. And here it is the negative integers is multiplied by the 4 negative integers is multiplied this product only. Okay now, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. We will get the answer is the number of the negative integers. How many number of the negative integers here in this one?
4.
Product 4 only. Yeah, 4 is the even or odd?
Even.
Even. What's the sign here? It is the answer is the plus or minus. Product is the
Plus.
product is the plus sign only. Why? Because you can here even number is the minus into minus is the plus, and minus into minus is the plus. So that's why the answer is the plus sign only. The product is the plus only. Are you okay? Yeah, next one is that what sir is the product? 2 negative integers. 2 negative integers is multiplied by the 2 negative integers. How many integers are negative integers? Here it is in this product, in this example.
2.
2 only. 2 is the even or odd?
Even.
Even. What's the sign? What's the answer is? The product is
Plus.
sign of the product. What's the sign of the product?
Plus.
Plus. Very good. Next is the, here it is the example. See, observing here it is the 1, 2 and 3. How many integers? Negative integers?
3.
3. What's the 3 is the even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. What's the sign of that product the sign?
Minus.
Odd. Minus. Why? Because you can use the minus into minus is the plus. Plus into minus is the minus. So that's why the answer is the minus. Next one is the next example. So here it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are number of the negative integers?
5.
5. Very good. Answer is that 5 is the even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. Very good. What is the sign of the product? Answer. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Why? Because minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is a plus, again is the minus. So that's why that is the minus answer. We will get the answer is the minus only. Here it is the minus 96, minus 12 only. If you can observing your this all are the above examples. What are you can understood that say? What are you can observing here it is? When an even number of negative integers are multiplied, the product is positive. Is always positive. Even number of your 4 and 2 is the even number or odd number? Even number. So product is that positive. Okay now. Next, when an odd number of the negative integers are multiplied by, the product is negative only. These two products is the odd number. So that's why is the answer. The product is the even or odd? Negative or positive? Negative. Very good. Are you understood? I can say? Yeah, same topic. Yeah, this our expert book part 2 is also it's over. Through examples it's over. And next goes to the today our learning that the exercise Telangana State Book page number is that 10 1.4. Today we learn the exercise 1.4 all problems and solutions. Today we learn it only. Okay, I can say neatly. Yeah, first one by one, be carefully listen better. Tell me the answers neatly. Are you understood? Gagan say addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay now, are you all are you clear it? Yeah, goes to the next exercise. Let's start the exercise 1.4. Yeah, first bit. First of all, I read in our first bit only. Yeah, fill in the blanks. First one. First bit. Minus bracket of minus 100 into bracket of minus 6 only. Yeah, both are the product. Minus into minus. Both product is the minus into minus is the, it becomes to plus only. So that's why 100 into 6. 100 to 6 is the 600 only. Okay now.
Yes.
Next is the second one. Minus 3 into answer is 3 only. So that's why it's a minus here it minus into minus. If it's we will get the positive only. And another term is also, another integer is also minus only. Which number Gagan say? Which number is multiplied by this one? First integer?
Minus 3.
Minus 3 is also first integer. And second integer which one is the? 1 only. Minus 1. Okay now. Second integer is the which number? Minus 1. And minus 3 is multiplied by minus 1. And minus into minus is the plus. So that's why the 3 into 1 is the 3 only. Next, third one. 100 into minus 6. 100 into minus 6 means is the plus. Here it is the no signs, no sense nothing, but here is the plus.
Minus
Plus
600.
into minus is the minus.
600.
Answer is the minus. We write the answer is the minus only. 100 into 6 is the minus 600. Okay now? Yeah, next one is the, here it is the both are the minus only, or both product only. Both is the negative integers. Both product is the two negative integers multiplied by the two negative integers. 2 means is the even or odd? Even. So answer is the plus into minus is the plus. So it becomes 2, answer is the
200.
plus only. And even number is positive answer.
Yes.
Already know even is the then the positive integers, and odd if it's what's the multiplied by the odd negative numbers
Okay.
product is also negative. So that's why the minus into minus is the
200.
plus.
Plus 200.
Yeah, 20 into 10.
200.
200. Very good. Yeah, next Gagan sorry. Yeah, next one is the positive, one is the negative only. So that's why the 15, what's the answer? Plus into minus. So that's why the answer is the, you write the minus only. So that's why the 15, 3 is 40. Are you okay Gagan sir neatly?
Okay, 40.
Yeah, copy and write down in our notebook Gagan sir. Same answers you can write it in our notebook also. Yeah, first one is that fill in the blanks. What's our minus into minus is the 100 into 6 is the 600 only. I can hear it is that what's the second integer is the minus 1 only. So that's why the both are the two negative integers. So we get the answer is the positive integer only. Okay now? Then the product is positive only. So that's why the one is the positive, one is the negative, means is the answer is the product is the negative only. We will get the product is the negative. So that's why the 100 into 6 is the 600. Two negative terms multiplied by the two negative terms, we will get the positive or negative even. So that's why it's the positive only. So that's why it's 200 into 20 into cross 10 is the 200. Very good. Next is the one positive and one negative. So that's why the plus into minus is the minus. So 50 cross
45.
అంటే if you are multiplied by the positive and negative integers, okay now is the product is always negative. 15 cross 3 is the 45. Are you okay Gagan sir neatly? You have an all our reads and notes it's over in that textbook is also there, each points every one it's over. Okay na?
Yes.
See better neatly here is that positive integers and negative integers always is these are all is the very important points Gagan sir. Negative integers and multiplication of two negative integers is that always positive integers. This is also a tick it Gagan sir textbook also, and this point is also very important. These are all is the points, tick it only. And next goes to the second one only. Yeah, very here it is Gagan say. Find your page number is the 11th page number. Find each of the following products. Yeah, first one only. 3 cross minus 1. And one is the positive integer is multiplied by the negative integer. What's the answer? Negative integer. So that's why 3 cross 1 is the minus 3 only. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah, next second one. One is the negative, one is the positive. So that's why it's the minus into plus. The answer is the minus only. Minus 225 only. But you write it answer all our solutions you can write down in your notebook only. Okay now? Yeah, first one is the one positive integer is multiplied by the negative integers, and then the product is always negative only. So that's why it's a minus 3. And here it is that this is also same only. Minus one negative integers is multiplied by the one positive integers is all the product is always negative. So that's why it's a 225. And they can all of that solutions only. And next one is that here it is also I can say here third bit only. Third bit means is the minus into minus, and both are the two negative integers multiplied by the two negative integers, and the product is always positive. 2 means is the even only. Even. So that's why the answer is the positive or negative? Positive. 21 30. 21 30 means is the 0, and 0 is 1 is the 0, and 0 0, and 3 1 ja 3 only, 3 2 ja 6 only. So that's why 630. Is that 630. Next one is the fourth one only. Fourth one is the these are is also 2 only. 2 negative product of the 2 negative integers. 2 negative integers means is the even only. Even means is that what's the product is the even or odd. Plus minus into minus is the plus only. So that's why it is 3 1 6 only. So that's why here it is also solution. You can write on the solutions 3 1 6 only. Next one is the fifth one only. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So that's why 0 is nothing but leave it only. Why? Because you can 0 is a 0 only. So that's why you can what's on is the minus 15 into 0 is the 0. 0 into minus 18 is the 0 only. What's the answer is the 0. Another one is the what's one is the sixth one only. Sixth is the minus 12 bracket of minus 12 into bracket of minus 11 into bracket of 10 only. Brackets 10 only. So that's why the what's one is the here it is the 3 terms only. 3 is multiplied by the 3 integers only. Here it is the minus into minus is the plus. Odd number only. Okay na? Odd number is a multiplied this you write the other side is 12 11 ja. 12 is 1 2 ja 2 1 1 ja 1 1 2 ja 2 1 1 ja 1 2 3 1 only into 10. So that's why is the 0 and 1320. What's the solution here? It is the solution the other side. These are all is the solutions. There are 1320 is the minus into minus, minus into minus, and the plus only. Plus into plus is the plus. So that's why the answer is the same answer only. Okay, are you okay? Next one is the seventh one. 9 into minus 3 bracket of minus 3 and bracket close and into bracket of minus 6 bracket close. Okay na? Next 9 3 ja what's one is the 9 3 ja 12 only. 9 3 ja 27 6 ja 6 7 ja 42 6 2 ja 12 plus 4 12 plus 4 is the 16. Okay, is it okay now? 162 only. The solution is that our answer is the 162 only. Next one is the eighth one only. These are all multiplied by the 3 negative integers. 3 negative integers, all are the 3 negative integers. 3 means is the odd only. So that's why the answer is the odd only. Okay na? Yeah, what's on is the 18 అంటే 5 4 జా 20, 20 cross 18. Yeah, 20 cross 18. 8 0 0, 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16. Okay, Gagan sai 1 0 0, 1 2 ja 2 only. So that's why is 360 Gagan sai. Okay na? Answer is the 360. Here it is the multiplied by the 3 negative integers. So that's why is the answer. The product is also negative only. So that's why is the negative only. And next one is the first one is the ninth one only. Here it is also 4 only. Multiplied by the 4 products. So that's why the minus into minus is the plus only. Here ante 1 2 ja 2 only. 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. 24. Solution you can write on the 24 only. Yeah, next is the minus into minus is the plus. Plus into minus is the minus. Minus into plus is the minus into plus is the minus only. What's the answer is the minus 24. Okay now. Next is the 10th one. Yeah, here it is that all are that negative integers only. All are the negative integers. Are 4 negative integers is multiplied by the 4 negative integers. Then the product is 4 means is the even or odd? Even. So that's the answer is the even. And the positive only. So that's why you understood. I can say even means is the positive. Positive. We will get the answer is the positive only. So that's why the 3 to ja 18. 18 to ja 36. Into 1 is the 1 only. 18 2 ja. Yeah, 2 8 ja 16. 2 1 ja 1 3 1. So that's why you can solution. You can write down the answer is the. There all are the negative 1 2 and 3 and 4 only. So that's why is the negative is multiplied by the 4 negative integers. The product is always positive. So that's why the answer is the 36. Okay, that can say neatly understood. This is the only rough work. Are you okay? Are you okay, Gagan Sai? Are you okay, Vangar? Okay. Yeah. Next one goes to the another. Is that what one is the third problem? A cut and freezing process. First of all, I read in one textbook. Gagan Sai, be careful, listen better neatly. A cut and freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? After the begins, take a cut and freezing process, cool anamata. Cool process, the room temperature is the 40 degrees centigrade. If it's a decreasing the rate every hour decreases, the rate is the 5 degrees centigrade. Every hour decreases only. Temperature is decreases by every hour is the 5 degrees centigrade. What will be the room temperature after 10 hours? Every hour is the 5 degrees centigrade. So after 10 hours, what's the room temperature? Process begins. After process begins, after 10 hours, what will be the room temperature? Okay, find out it only. First of all, you can write one by one, step by step wise, you can write it only. Answer, okay? Okay, na Gagan Sai? Yeah, what's one solution you can write in our notebook, Gagan Sai? First of all, solution you can write it. Yeah, what's one is the at present room temperature. What's the present room temperature is the 40 degrees centigrade room temperature. At present freezing process requires the at present room temperature. Given data you can write down the given problem, Gagan Sai. Given data you can at present the room temperature at present the room temperature temperature equal to 40 degrees centigrade only. Okay na? Next the room temperature the decrease ante decreasing temperature, the decreasing room temperature every hour. The rate is every hour. Okay, now I can say neatly. What's are given here? It is the room temperature. Decreasing temperature. Decreasing, lowered means is the decreasing only. The decreasing temperature or total decreasing అనొచ్చు లేదంటే decreasing temperature. Yeah, decrease temperature. The rate every hour. The rate every hour equal to 5 degrees centigrade. Okay na? Yeah, what will be the room temperature? 10 hours only. Yeah, what will be the room temperature? 10 hours. To find what will be the what will be the room temperature? After 10 hours after 10 hours. Each hours means is the 10 into each hours is the 5 degrees centigrade only. Already given in our given problem only. Okay, now every hour is the rate is the room temperature rate is the every hour decreasing. What's one is the 5 degrees centigrade decreasing of the temperature only. Every hour only rate already given. So that's why is the 5 degrees centigrade. So that's why is the 5 cross 10 cross 5 is the 50 degrees centigrade only. Okay na? Yeah, total only. Yeah, total means is the what will be the temperature after 10 hours after the. So that's why is the total decrease the room temperature. Temperature total and after 10 hours. Equal to what's one is the 50 degrees minus 40 degrees. What's one is the 40 degrees minus of 50 degrees only. So that's why is the minus 10 degrees centigrade. Okay na? Or are you okay Gagan say neatly? Yeah, next is are you understood Gagan say? The total decrease the room temperature after 10 hours equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade only. Therefore, what's one is the room temperature. Are you understood? And every hour temperature decreases by 5 degrees centigrade. 10 hours how much ante this like only 10 into 5 degrees centigrade. Okay na? Yeah, next 10 hours after 10 hours after 10 hours equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade. Simple solution is over. Are you understood Gagan neatly? Yeah, next one is the fourth one. First of all, I read in our textbook only. In a class text containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer only, and minus 1 mark is for every incorrect answer, and 0 for questions not attempted. So our first all are the 3 questions only, the 3 bits questions only. So that's why one by one today you will learn it only in this problem. Yeah, first one only. Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? And second question, Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is her score? And our third one, Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? If it's words are given or words are asking, Gagan say you are first of all I are once again explaining in this problem. Gagan say you are in a class. One class there only a text containing the 10 questions are text containing the one in your class only. Yeah, 3 marks are correct answer marks is the 3 only. Correct answer marks is the 3 only. And your incorrect marks for every incorrect marks if you take the -1 mark only. -1 only. And your not attempted ki not attempted for any questions ki 0 only. Not attempted means is the 0 only. So that's why the first problem. Gopi gets 5 correct. Gopi 5 is correct question answers only, and your 5 is the incorrect answers. 5 is the incorrect answer. What is the total score? Okay na? Yeah, one by one. Yeah, today solve this problem. Against the solution you can write down on one notebook only. First of all, you are given data, you can write down the given problem only. Yeah, first one by one given write it here. It is only. Yeah, first are given marks. First are given here, it is the marks. Total is the 10 questions only. Text containing the 10 questions only. Marks. Yeah, marks are marks for every correct answer. Marks are every correct answer equal 3. Yeah, marks are marks for every incorrect only. Okay na? Incorrect answer is the -1 only. Yeah, marks for not attempted questions. For questions not attempted questions equal to 0 only. Okay na? Yeah, what's one is the one by one. Yeah, first bit is solution only. Gopi gets, what's one is the Gopi gets 5 correct only. 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? Yeah, first one. Gopi gets marks. Gopi gets marks in 5 correct answers. 5 correct answers equal to 5 into correct answers is the every correct answer is the 3 only. So that's why the 5 3 is 15 only. Okay, Gagan say. Next is the Gopi get marks in 5. In 5 is also 5 is the incorrect answers. 5 is the correct answers only. 5 incorrect only. Incorrect answers. So that's why the 5 into each incorrect question. For every incorrect question is the -1 only. If you take -1 only, so that's why is the 5 cross -1 is the -5 only. Okay, Gagan side. Next is the Gopi total score. Okay, are you okay, Gagan side? 15 plus -5. So that's why the plus into minus is the minus. So that's why the 15 minus 5 equal to 10 only. Are you okay, Gagan side? 10 marks. Are you okay? Ante? Are you okay? Yes. He got in marks the 10 only. Oh, if it's so no space only, Gagan side, or other you write it dislike only and continue this one, Gagan side. Yeah, what's the fourth problem solution only. Fourth problem solution, you continue this one only, second one only. Okay na? Next is the Reshma only. Okay na? Next is the Reshma. Reshma get. Yeah, what's one is the here it is the Reshma. Next second bit is the Reshma get is the 7 correct answer only. Reshma get marks in 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers. Answers is equal to 7 into every correct answer is the 3 marks only. So that's why is the 7 3 21 only. Next is the Reshma get marks in what one is the incorrect is the 3 is the incorrect only. 3 incorrect answer. Reshma is the 3 incorrect answers. Okay na? Incorrect answers. So that's why is the every incorrect answer is the -1 only. So that's why is the 3 into -1 is the -3 only. Okay na? Next is the Reshma total score equal to what's the total score? 21 plus -3. So that's why is the 21 plus into minus is the -3 only. So that's why is the what's the answer? 21 -3. The 11 and 7. So that's why is the 17 only. Okay na? 11 3 is the 11 minus 3 means is the 8 only. 11 minus 3 is the 8. So that's why is the 8 only. 18. Okay na? But here also is the Reshma total score is the 18 marks. Reshma total score equal to 18 marks. Okay, she got the marks 18 marks. Next one is the third one. What's the third one? Reshma gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. She attempts. What is her score? Not Reshma, Rashmi. Okay na? Rashmi get marks in 3 correct answer.